Mom and Dad. Can you repeat to Mommy? Mom and Dad took the children to the safari park. Stop in the car, said the man. Or a lion will get you, said Dad. They saw zebra, a zebra crossing, said Beef. They saw the elephants. Look at the baby elephant, said the keeper. They saw the lions. I can see a lion cub, said the chief. The monkeys jumped on the car. Yeah, he sang peekaboo. Yes, they poured at the wipers. The monkeys poured and pulled. Yeah. Hi. The monkey is saying hi. What is he doing now? What is he doing? Peekaboo. I see you. They pour the wipers up. Oh no, said Dad. It's broken. Oh no. The monkey broke the wiper. You bad monkeys. You bad monkeys, said the Beep. I see you had monkeys on the car, said the man. Yes, and monkeys in the car, said Dad. We're done. It's the end. Do you want to see? What's this? Story about dragon. Yeah, the children. What, a car engine? Do you want to see the car engine? You wanna see? Here, what happened here? The car, the minibus broke down. You wanna see car engine? The minibus. It's dark outside. What do you want? Do you wanna go together? Yes, Mommy.
Mommy.